Hey everyone, welcome to @official MyPCSKILLS, your go-to place to learn and level up your programming skills from scratch. I'm Ilyas, a passionate developer and educator, here to make coding simple, practical, and fun. On this channel, I teach web development with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, backend magic using PHP and MySQL, Python programming, including tkinter for GUI apps. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to @official MyPCSKILLS and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep learning and enjoy the tutorial. Introducing the web-based emulator. Welcome, developers and creators. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of building a fully functional VS Code style web emulator.
Today
Right
I'm
inside
excited
the
to show you
browser.
something I built, a live mobile emulator and code editor. With this tool, you can write HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even Python, and instantly preview your work inside a realistic mobile frame. It supports auto-run, device switching, rotation, dark mode, and Python with Pyodide, all in a modern VS Code style interface. Whether you're testing web layouts or learning to code, this emulator is designed for developers like you. This is
Styling the
Ilyas
CSS next, we added styles to recreate the VS Code feel using custom CSS. This included sidebar icons, tabs, mobile frame styling, and even a notch with a speaker to simulate a real smartphone. Show dark mode toggling and responsive layout. For a real development feel, we integrated Code Mirror, an embeddable code editor. Each tab, HTML, CSS, JS, and Python, gets its own editor with syntax highlighting, auto indent, and autocomplete. Our emulator supports multiple device sizes. We built a responsive drop-down to simulate screens like Pixel, iPhone SE, and Redmi. You can even rotate the device with a single click. Dark mode toggle. To reduce eye strain, we added dark mode support. With one click, the entire interface, including the emulator, adapts its theme. Click the Run Code button to see your changes instantly, or enable Auto Run to preview your updates as you type. Perfect for rapid prototyping. Python integration via Pyodide. Yes, it runs Python too. With Pyodide, we run Python code directly in the browser. No backend needed. And it even streams the output inside the emulator frame. Each file tab is dynamic. Close and reopen any tab. Use our snippet dropdown to quickly insert useful HTML, CSS, JS or Python code templates. Let's run some HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. Any tab. Use our snippet dropdown to quickly insert useful HTML, CSS, JS or Python code templates. Let's run some HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. Let's run some real code inside our powerful mobile emulator. We'll start with a simple HTML layout, style it up with some CSS and bring it to life using JavaScript. Hit that run code button and boom! This emulator helps developers quickly test their HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Python code. It's a simple way to preview. Helps developers quickly test their HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Python code. It's a simple way to preview and learn in a mobile style layout. Now you have seen how we transformed a simple HTML page into a full-fledged VS Code-like environment in the browser. Whether you are learning to code, teaching or just experimenting, this emulator makes it fun and functional. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe for more fun and magic. Don't miss out. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more web dev tutorials and interactive tools. Comment below with your ideas. What should we build next? Thanks for watching this tutorial.
This is Ilyas from @official MyPCSKILLS. That's MyPCSKILLS. If you're visiting for the first time, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more powerful tools and tutorials. Let's dive in.